Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by configuring how the calculator will interpret inputs. This saves time and avoids wrong answers. First, press mode and choose degree or radian depending on your course. Set float to the decimal resolution you need, and select function for standard graphing. Once done, press clear to get to the home screen and verify memory by pressing second plus MEM. Make sure at least a modest amount of space is available so programs and lists won't fail when you need them. You'll now enter and analyze functions. Press Y equals and type each expression, always enclosing numerators and denominators with parentheses to avoid order of operations errors. After entering, open window and set Xmin, Xmax, Imin, Imax, and XSCL to frame the relevant behavior. Choose smaller steps for detail. Once the graph is drawn with graph, use zoom for standard views, trace to move along the curve, and table to get numeric values. These steps let you find intercepts, maximum. Finally, commit useful results and finish cleanly. When you compute a value, press SDO, right arrow, and a letter to store it for later. Recall by pressing alpha and that letter. For equations, use math right arrow 0, solver or graph intersect to locate roots numerically. This works even when algebra fails. Save programs or data by sending to a computer if available. If the calculator misbehaves, try clearing lists. Reset RAM, second plus mem, or reloading defaults. As a tip, back up before resets so you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.